This is Ferrari's latest sports car, and no, it's not called the Roma. It's called the Amalfi. And yes, it is an updated version of the Roma, but it's faster and, more importantly, has more buttons. I'll get onto that in a bit, but first off, there's the way it looks. Now, the design has been updated to look a lot more like the Purosangue way. So we now have this blade-like element at the front of the car, which cuts into the headlights just there. Almost every panel is brand new as well. So while it looks like the Roma down the side, you actually have these subtle creases that form a Y shape, a bit like the SP3 Daytona. The back's quite a bit different too. You've got this active rear wing that raises at speed, but also the back is a lot flatter. It kind of looks a little bit like a camtail. Not sure I prefer it over the Roma though. Don't tell Ferrari. Onto the power. It's the same 3.9 litre twin turbo V8 as before. However, it's been given a new crankshaft, racier cams and a tweaked ECU to bring power up to 640 horsepower. It also lowers the 0 to 62 time to 3.3 seconds, which is 0.1 seconds faster than the Roma. However, Ferrari says it should sound better than the Roma too because it's got an uprated exhaust and intake. But the big news is there's now a physical start-stop button. In fact, all the buttons on the steering wheel are now physical because customers were complaining about the old system, so Ferrari listened and put physical buttons back in. They're so much better than the old haptic buttons. The center console has also been redesigned as well. Apparently it's made out of lighter aluminium, and you've got this new 10.25-inch touchscreen display, which is no longer connected to the center console. And then there's the key. It's the same on all new Ferraris now, but I still absolutely love it. It's kind of like an ingot with a bit of leather on it. Oh, it's so nice. So how much does it cost? Well, Ferrari says it's going to be 240,000 euros here in Italy. Back home in the UK, that's going to be about £205,000 with deliveries due in early 2026. But what I want to know is, does this look better than the Roma?